How did you find Custom Pool Pros?
It was one of the magazines. I don't know, it was the New Jersey magazine, and they had a big page with Custom Pool Pros, and I ripped that out. We didn't call them initially, we called another company. So we got Custom Pool Pros for a second opinion, and that's how we ended up going with them. But it was from one of the magazines that they had a paper ad in.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
I think just Tom's ability to know what to do almost right off the bat. There wasn't a lot of haggling back and forth. This is what you need to do. We had to take out an old pool to put the new pool in, and his expertise was by far more than other pool companies that we dealt with.
How are you enjoying your pool?
Our kids were able to enjoy it before they went off to college. There were some time delays because of the weather, but Jen and her team knew that my kids were leaving for college, and they really put a lot of extra effort in to get it done so the kids could enjoy it before they went back.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
We had talked that over with Tom ahead of time, and we kind of went through some choices, and we're really glad that we chose to go with travertine rather than regular pavers. It's a much better look for us, and I think the longevity of the beauty of this landscaping will outlast any other pavers we could have chosen.
How was the quality of work?
I think it's superior. We were debating, we never heard of a plaster pool, so that was new to us versus a liner, and there's no comparison. The plaster pool is amazing.
Yeah, we overall are very, very pleased with the quality. The finished product, we had to go through some trials and tribulations with weather and delays and far as, getting permits. But, once you get it all through the process, we're very, very happy with the end result.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's beautiful. It's smooth on your feet. The color came out fantastic. So we were a little unsure about coloring the plaster. And of course, Jen and Tom went through the process with us. They spent a lot of extra time, I feel, because we were hesitant about some of the decisions we made, and they made it easier for us to make that final decision. And it really came out phenomenal.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
There was really nothing that I would complain about. So, Jen was excellent. Tom was excellent. Again, there are things that you have to contend with when you go through the process, but overall, having that little bit of a personal touch, we met personally with both of them on a number of occasions, and that's what got us through the process.
Does the pool fit your family's needs?
100%.
Oh, and then some. Yep, and
Yeah.
then some.
Again, we were unsure on the design, and Jen and Tom helped us through that. Initially, we were going to do a wavier pool, but after multiple conversations with them and Jen, the straight lines look so sleek. It's good decisions they helped us make.
How do you feel coming home and having access to a pool at all times?
We actually enjoy using this very frequently now.
Well, I
Big
have to give a
difference.
shout out to Jake.
Jake.
He is a man who came to help with the equipment teaching.
Kind of at the end game, and he's phenomenal addition to their team.
Yeah.
I know he's been with them for a while, but between Tom, Jen, and Jake, we really had a good experience.
Yeah, really good.
Awesome.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
Absolutely.
In fact, we already have one of our friends asked who did it because they need some renovations, and we gave them their name and number, and we said absolutely.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.